Do that one dance, baby. That one dance.
Hello everyone, welcome to this studio. So, my name is Pascuala de Lourdes and I studied at Duta Wacana Christian University and majored in English education. So, our topic today is about asking and giving opinion. This topic is interesting to discuss because in everyday life we must have an opinion about something that we see, we feel, or we hear. Whether the opinions are support or contradict each other. Opinion is a text or dialogue that contains an opinion about something. Usually, opinions differ or contradict each other depending on which point of view we take. Jadi, di video ini kita akan membahas beberapa contoh ungkapan tentang bertanya dan memberikan pendapat. Okay, for the first example, let's check this video.
Hello Rara, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Rara, what do you think about this food?
I think it's not good for our health because it's junk food.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you Rara.
It's okay, belajar.
Oke, dalam video tadi, Belajar menanyakan pendapat kepada Rara dengan pertanyaan, "What do you think about this food?" Lalu, Rara meresponnya dengan, "I think it's not good for our health." Jadi, untuk menanyakan pendapat, kita bisa mengatakan dengan "What do you think?" Kemudian, untuk meresponnya dengan I think. It's easy, right? Okay, next, move to the next example. Seperti apa contohnya? Mari kita simak video berikutnya.
Hi, Ruma. Yeah. I am hungry now. What do you think if we go to the restaurant now? I don't think so. Why? Because it is raining. Oh yeah. We can cook some meals in the kitchen. Okay. Lisa, what do you think if we cook soup? That's good idea.
Oke, dari video tadi, Lisa menanyakan pendapat kepada Roma dengan pertanyaan, "What do you think if we go to the restaurant now?" Kemudian, Roma meresponnya dengan, "I don't think so, because it is raining." Contoh berikutnya, Roma menanyakan pendapat kepada Lisa dengan pertanyaan, "What do you think if we cook soup?" Kemudian Lisa menjawab dengan, "That's a good idea." Jadi, untuk menanyakan pendapat, kita juga bisa mengatakan, "What do you think if?" Kemudian untuk meresponnya dengan I don't think so jika kita tidak sependapat dengan lawan bicara. Jika kita sependapat dengan lawan bicara, kita bisa meresponnya dengan that's a good idea. Atau bisa juga dengan it's okay. It's easy, right? Okay, let's move to the last example. Check this video.
Tell me, Steve, what's your opinion about our new teacher?
In my opinion, she is very kind, hardworking, and competent.
I totally agree with you.
Dari video tadi, ada menanyakan pendapat kepada Steve dengan pertanyaan, "What's your opinion about our new teacher?" Lalu Steve meresponnya dengan, "In my opinion, she is very kind, hardworking, and competent." Jadi, untuk menanyakan pendapat, kita juga bisa mengatakan, "What's your opinion about?" Kemudian, untuk meresponnya dengan, "In my opinion." Ini adalah beberapa contoh ungkapan tentang bertanya dan memberikan pendapat yang telah kita pelajari hari ini. Contoh yang pertama adalah, "What do you think?" Kemudian untuk meresponnya dengan, "I think." Contoh yang kedua adalah, "What do you think if?" Kemudian untuk meresponnya dengan, "I don't think so." Jika kita tidak sependapat dengan lawan bicara, kita bisa meresponnya dengan, "That's a good idea," atau dengan, "It's okay." Contoh yang terakhir adalah, "What's your opinion about?" Kemudian untuk meresponnya dengan, "In my opinion." Okay, that's all for our topic today. Now, let's practice with your friends about asking and giving opinion. See you next video. Bye.